Who is the kidnapper? You probably think it's the man who looks the most suspicious, but looks can be deceiving. Inspect every detail closely. The clue is hidden in what's concealed. I'll pause here to give you a moment to think. The answer will be revealed at the end of this video. Puzzle 2. Can you spot the number 52 hidden in this frame? Now, double tap the screen, just so I know you got it right. Third question. What's the first app that shows up when you tap share and then more? I'm guessing it's the Messages app. By the way, did you know that if you follow me, I'll lose all my hair? Fourth question. Press and hold the comment button, then pick your favorite emoji. I bet you picked this one. Now for the final question. Be warned, it's a tough one. What number do you see in the image? Time for the reveal. The woman didn't abduct the child. They're wearing matching shirts. The kidnapper is the man. He has a gun hidden behind his back.